Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this quick video of what fits on the Tory Burch wallet. I do have the unboxing video, which I will link down below in the description bar, so check that out. So as you can see, it does get a little bit thicker, obviously, because I have so many cards and I have utilized all the pockets, which I had said there's 5 on this side and 5 on the other. So I have them all used up, and I have also put like reward cards back here, business cards. So most of the cards I don't really use. So right here are my main cards. So obviously after I have placed all my cards in here, it will be a lot bulkier, and there's nothing I can really do about that aside from getting rid of credit cards. But anyways, this is what the side looks like. Here's the other side, and it's still a good size. I mean, it's very handy because I can see every single one of my cards. As for the back, the button snaps pretty easily. As for the back, I mean, if you don't want your wallet to get distorted or bulky looking like this or lose the shape, maybe you won't want to put as many coins as I have in here. But as you can see, I have quite a few coins. And I mean, that's why I purchased it, because I don't really care. I mean, now if it was a more expensive wallet, then yeah, I would probably keep in mind how many coins I put. But this is why I bought it, for the functionality, so I could put coins back there. And then inside, like I said, you could put more credit cards in here. So if you're someone like me that has a lot of cards, this will work out perfectly. And to show you, they come out really easily. They don't get stuck or anything. Now, as far as the bill compartments, they fit perfectly inside there without a problem. Just put it in, and you could either push it all the way down, which I probably wouldn't. I would just leave it up higher. And one thing that's nice too, that's so long, if you had some receipts or coupons, you could fit them back there, since it's such a large slip pocket back here. To show you how big this is, say you have a long receipt or whatever, and it fits perfectly in there and closes perfectly too. So it's pretty handy. Big piece of paper. So yeah. So that's it for this quick video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Thanks for watching.